Hello and welcome to another Link Juices video. In this video we'll be showing you what is Buffer. Buffer is a social media organisation tool that helps you schedule all your social platform posts in one place. To connect to Buffer you will need to sign up, then go to Manage Channels and then Connect to Channels. As you can see, you can connect a lot to Buffer, and if you have up to 3 social channels you can get it for free, no payment plan needed. Once you connect your channels, you'd want to go over to publishing, which is what we're going to do in a minute. Here you can publish, schedule and also save drafts for later. You can also choose what date and time to schedule, down to the minute, so it's very handy. Buffer also has analytics built in, so you can see how well your posts are doing. However, this is a paid feature, as you can see, but there is a 14-day free trial with Buffer if you want to go with a paid option. I hope this video helped you, and thank you very much for watching.